Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great today. I am excited for today's video because we are doing another Boxycharm unboxing. My March box is here and I am ready to tear it open for you guys so we can see what we got. If you're noticing anything different, yes, I got a little haircut. Well, not little, I chopped a lot of my hair off and I'm honestly loving it. I feel like this is so me and I'm just very happy. So yeah. Anyways, before we get into unboxing my Boxycharm base box for March, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But if you want to see this unboxing, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, literally right before I was about to start filming, I spaced out for a second and I started opening the box and I was literally about to open it so that I could see what was inside without even realizing. So I just shut the box really quick so that I couldn't get a peek of anything. I promise I'm staying true to not knowing what's inside of these. I really like to make it a surprise every month, so I got mad at myself there for a second for almost spoiling it for all of us. But yes, this is the March box. As you guys already know, I don't know what is in here. I don't want to know what's in here until we open it together because that is how we do it here. So I'm very excited about this one. It feels heavy, it feels good. Obviously, as usual, this is the base box. So I have the subscription where you pay, I think it's like 80 bucks for 3 months. So it charges every 3 months instead of every month. But yeah. Front of the box just says Boxycharm, and then when you pull the tab open, it just says Boxycharm, hashtag and Instagram handle, and then hello charmer as usual, and the hot pink iconic Boxycharm logo. So opening her up, trying not to peek, we have the card. So it is Game Changer, celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month. I freaking love that. And it's just this really pretty, dreamy, like sky kind of themed card. So let's just get started. I want to see what we have. So the first item in our box is from OFRA Cosmetics. Yay! It's the Charm Your Cheeks Mini Mix Blush Palette. So it says, don't stare directly at your cheeks while wearing this hypnotizing blush palette made with Ofra's liquid to baked tech. This 6-pan blush palette is long wearing and ultra pigmented with shades from alluring baby pinks to electrifying orange. Hit pan, remix, or refill all your favorite shades in this magnetic and completely refillable palette. Goes for $39, so up there in price, but let's see what we're working with. I think this is it. Yeah, this is it. So it's this really pretty, if you guys know me, you know this is like my favorite shade of pink. So I'm already obsessed, but we've got, yes, the Charm Your Cheeks, a mini mix palette. There's 6 shades. Wow, this is really pretty already. You know something is OFRA when you see this like design inside of the actual pans. They just remind me of seashells and I love it. Like I could look at this all day. So cute. But I already love these colors, and of course the one that's catching my eye right off the bat is this orangey one in the middle. You guys, I'm sure you knew that was gonna be my favorite. Just seeing it right off the bat like this, I'm like, I need to put this on right now. But I'm gonna swatch these really quick. Love the packaging, no mirror. I wish there was a mirror for $39. Seems pricey to not have that included. That's the only thing I'll say right now. But I do want to swatch these and then I will come back right away and I'll show you guys what they look like, let you know how they feel. We'll try one out on my cheeks, all that fun stuff. So give me 1 second. Okay, I just swatched all 6 of them on my arm. So here's what the swatches look like. If I'm being totally honest, I pictured them being a little bit more pigmented. So when I swatched them on my arm, I was a little bit sad because I was like, wow, I was expecting a little bit more. Because usually with OFRA products, they are pigmented and really good and smooth and soft and nice. So they still feel really good and smooth and just really nice to touch, but the color is a little bit less than what I was expecting from it. So that just made me a little bit sad, but they're still good. I think they still look really good. And of course, with my tan that I have on right now, that orange, that second one from the top right here is just drawing me in. It's so pretty and I need it on my cheeks. So that's the one we're gonna try out. I'm just gonna take this Anastasia brush and I'm gonna dip it into here. And then we're gonna see what it does for me. So here we go. I stand corrected. This is very, very pigmented when you put it on your actual cheeks. Like, I feel like looking in the mirror, this gave me a lot of color. I was not expecting it. I am obsessed. It looks really good. It looks really even, no patchiness. It blended really, really easily, and I'm obsessed. We'll talk more about this in a future video because I'm gonna keep playing around with this. But next up, we have from ACEOLOGY, which I haven't heard of before. It's the Detoxifying Treatment Mask. It says a supercharged health retreat for congested skin, working to draw out blackheads and impurities and clear clogged pores with skin-loving charcoal. The charcoal's antibacterial and purification powers are unrivaled with any other detoxifying ingredient when it comes to extracting sebum and dirt, and the antioxidant Latin botanicals balance and protect the skin for a poreless and flawless texture. $69, so expensive. So I'm hoping that it's worth the $69, but we will see. Obviously, I can't test this one out for you guys on camera, which kind of sucks, but I'll keep you guys posted one way or another. Love this packaging. It reminds me a lot of the Summer Fridays packaging because I feel like they do a similar thing with this. Like, it looks exactly the same as my masks and my lip balm from there. Just great. So it says ACEOLOGY Detoxifying Mask. It's 2 ounces. That's pretty big, which fair because it's $69. So give us something. But let me just take this thing off and then we'll see. I'm probably gonna use this tonight, to be honest with you, because my skin has not been agreeing with me lately. It is that time, if you know what I mean. And I'm just suffering. So I need something to help me, and I'm hoping that this ends up being worth the $69. So I'll let you guys know if it ends up being worth it. But I'm just gonna take some on the back of my hand so we can see what it does there. I also love this kind of packaging because you can like twist this top down and really squeeze out every last ounce of the product. So I love that, but here's what it looks like on my hand. Let me just, oh, it's thick. This is thick. Look at this. It feels really, really thick when you touch it, but I love that. I feel like I'm gonna have fun with this mask later, so I don't have much else to say right now. So far, I have high hopes for it. It feels good. It feels kind of cooling on the back of my hand, to be honest. And I'm just excited to try it. So I'll be working with that one later and I'll let you guys know what happens with my skin. But next we have from Earth Harbor Naturals. It's the NECTAR Superfruit Radiance Balm. It says, as sea fruits and tropical super berries playfully melt across your face with this balm, they insert a lively abundance of vitamins C, A, E, and K, omegas, amino acids, and numerous other bioactives necessary for achieving your best, bounciest, dewiest skin yet. $38. So it's this super cute packaging. Let's see what it looks like inside. So freaking cute. I love this like peachy orangey color. And it says the same thing on the front. It's 1 fluid ounce. And I'm assuming this is like a balm for your entire face, but I don't necessarily know how this works. Like, is it like a scrub? It's not really the most obvious, I guess. Let me just touch it and see. It smells really good. It smells like fruit and it looks like sugar, which is really interesting. It's definitely not a scrub because there's no like, this is like an oil. I don't know how I feel about this right now because it feels really oily and I get kind of skeptical about that stuff on my face because sometimes they tend to break me out. So I'm a little bit scared if I'm being honest, but here's what it looks like on the back of my hand. It looks amazing, stunning, but it feels, okay, it feels thin, but it feels oily and it's making me a little bit scared because I really don't want to break out, but I do want to try it because I like how it smells. I like how it feels. I just don't know if my face will like it. So I don't know. We'll see. I'll keep you guys posted on this, of course, in a later video, but I am excited to try it. I'm just hoping it doesn't make my face crazy. So we'll see. Let me know if you guys have tried this because I need opinions. I'm scared. So let me know your thoughts. But next on our list, we have from Appeal Cosmetics. It's the Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. I have not tried a new liquid lipstick in, I feel like, a long time, so I'm really excited about this. And this is my first time hearing about Appeal Cosmetics, so I'm excited to see what they're all about. So it says a luxurious cream lipstick that slides on with ease and stays comfortable all day. This lipstick has a satin finish and covers with one application, rich in color, and is a decadent addition to everyone's makeup collection. It's $21, so I would say reasonable for a liquid lipstick. But let me see. Okay, it's a beautiful like mauvey purpley color. So let me see. I will say the packaging feels like plasticky, like it doesn't feel like good quality, if you know what I mean. But that does not mean that the product itself is not good quality. I'm obsessed with this applicator. I love these kinds of applicators that look like a little pancake, if you know what I mean. I really, really like this. Let me see on the back of my hand first. I don't know if it's gonna go well with the lipstick that I have on right now. It's like a little bit too pinky for me right now, but this is gorgeous. This color with like a really bronzy makeup look would be really, really, really pretty and perfect in time for the spring. I feel like this is such a springy color, so I'm definitely gonna be using this probably like crazy. It looks shiny right from the start and it feels a little bit sticky when I touch it like that, but it's not, it doesn't feel matte or dry, and it doesn't feel like too wet like a gloss either. Like I feel like it's that perfect creamy in between, so I really like that so far. And then last on our list, we have from STYLEDRY, which is also a new brand to me. It's the Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. I love coconut and fig. It says this super hair mask is enriched with coconut oil and muru butter, which they also use in the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and it smells heavenly. For healthy, hydrated, and glossy hair, it's the must-have hair mask to nourish your hair deeply and give you the ultimate treatment at home. Your hair will be moisturized, silky, and shiny as never before. Goes for $16.95, so really not expensive for a hair mask. And I don't think I've gotten a hair product in here before, at least not like a hair mask. So that's very, very, no, I have gotten one hair product, but it wasn't a mask. I think it was an oil. So this is new to me. I'm very excited about this. I just got my hair done the other day, cut it short, colored it a little bit. So I don't know how soon I'll try this, but I will try it within the week. Let me just see if I can take this off and see how it smells, how it feels, everything like that. Obviously I can't try it on camera for you guys right now because I'm not gonna get my hair wet, but let's just see. So if I do a little dot of that on the back of my hand. Oh my god, this smells so good. It smells like the Physicians Formula Bronzer, but with like a little extra something in it, you know? So if you love the Physicians Formula Bronzer, you're gonna love how this smells, and your cheeks could smell like it and your hair could smell like it. Who does not want that? So smells amazing. And it feels really, really good. Like I almost want to put this on my face, how good it feels. I really like it. And it feels really light too. Like it's not super, super thick and heavy, which I also like because I have pretty thin hair. So I like it when products are not too thick, you know? But it feels really, really nice. Obviously I can't say much else because I'm not gonna put it in my hair right now, but I am really excited to use it. It's 3 ounces, so you get a ton of product in there, so it'll last you a long time, but I'm obsessed. I am really excited to try this. I feel like I got a really, really good box this month. I got, I would say, a lot of different stuff this time. Like it wasn't so much makeup, it was like a nice variety of makeup, skincare, hair care. So I got a little bit of everything. I get to try different new things this time, so I'm really, really excited. I don't think I'm not excited about a single product in this month's box. I feel like everything I'm going to be using like ASAP. Just this one I'm a tiny bit nervous about, but I'm still excited to see what it does for me. So A+ for effort on this box. Like, everything is exciting to me. So I'm really anxious to let you guys know how it all goes and how it all works for me. But that's it for today's video. That was my box for the month. Make sure to comment and let me know what you guys got in your boxes. If we got the same thing, if you got something different, just give me your thoughts and give me some suggestions on what you guys want to see from me. So comment, give this a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. But stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.